Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever heard the buzz around digital currencies, you might feel like you've missed the boat. But don't worry, because today we're taking a deep dive into the electrifying world of Bitcoin. Whether you're a total newbie or just a curious mind, we've got you covered. So buckle up as we decode Bitcoin for beginners. Before we unravel the mysteries of Bitcoin, make sure to hit that like button if you're excited to learn something new, and subscribe to stay on top of the future of money. Now let's get into it. First off, let's step back in time. The year is 2008, a year marked by financial chaos. In the midst of all this, a person or group, under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. And thus, the concept of Bitcoin was born. But what is Bitcoin really? Imagine Bitcoin as digital gold. It's not a physical coin, but a chunk of high-tech data, secured by cryptography, hence the term cryptocurrency. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any bank or government. Instead, it operates on a global network of computers that validate transactions. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Fast forward to today, where Bitcoin can be used for purchases, investments, or even transferring money across borders. Major companies and small businesses alike are jumping on the Bitcoin bandwagon, making digital transactions easier than ever. So what's in it for you, right? Benefits. Transactions are fast. Fees are lower compared to traditional banking, and you can send Bitcoin to anyone, anywhere without needing permission from any third party. How about security? The Bitcoin network is armed with a blockchain, an unbreakable digital ledger ensuring each transaction is transparent and tamper-proof. As for personal security, your identity is protected behind a cryptographic wall. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Keeping your Bitcoin safe means choosing secure wallets and being smart about your digital footprint. You may wonder, where does Bitcoin come from? The answer lies in mining. Just like mining for precious metals, Bitcoin mining involves powerful computers solving complex mathematical problems. The first to solve it gets a block of new Bitcoins as a reward. It's a race of computational might. The future of Bitcoin is as exciting as it is unknown. Some predict it becoming a universal currency. Others believe in its role as digital gold, a store of value. What's clear is that Bitcoin has sparked a revolution in how we think about and use money. And there you have it, the ABCs of Bitcoin. Thinking about joining the crypto craze? Just remember, as with any investment, do your homework and understand the risks. If you found this video enlightening, show your support with a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more tech insights, and until next time, keep your investments savvy and your wallet secure. Ready to become a Bitcoin believer or still have your doubts? Check out our playlist on cryptocurrency right here, and stay in the know with the digital age.